Mr. Ntanzi, I just want us to go back to the Capitec Bank statement
Bengicela sibuyeleke ku-statement yase-Capitec
that has been handed up as Exhibit DD, Annexure 1. We've been through the statement with you regarding the particulars that appear on your Capitec Bank statement.
bese sikhulumile-ke ngayo imininingwane evelayo-ke kusona i-statement sakwa-Capitec.
We have indicated to you that, and we have referred you to page 3 of this Capitec Bank statement.
Sakhuluma-ke noma sakhombisa-ke upage 3 waso-ke i-statement lesi sase-Capitec.
We have referred you to the portion that relates to your contact number.
Sakhombisa-ke la ikhuluma khona-ke ngenamba yakho.
You've consistently said that you did not give your number 0609011689 to Capitec.
Kuyinto-ke oyishilo-ke noma futhi-ke uyisho nje uyiphinda-phinda-ke ukuthi inamba yakho u-0609016890 awukaze unikeze ngayo e-Capitec. Yes, my lord.
We once again wish to revisit the Capitec Bank statement.
Sifisa ukuthi sibuyele kusona-ke i-statement sase-Capitec.
Under the heading Client Generic Inquiry, it says customer number 186076576. It says last name Ntanzi, and it says ID number 9012026197083. I'll just place this on record. I'll just give it to you just now. It says the address. It says room F38. Then it says address 1, then address 2, Masizakele. It says suburb, Driefontein. City, Carltonville. And it says cell phone number 060-901-6890. And it says employer's name, Sibanye Gold Ltd. It says Driefontein. And it says last change 31st August 2017. So, Mr. Ntanzi, the point that we are trying to buttress is the following, that you have furnished your number 060-901-6890 to Capitec Bank.
Lana-ke umshushisi uqeda ukufunda-ke imininingwane isona-ke i-statement lesi sase-Capitec. Laphayana-ke i-customer number ibhaliwe 186076576. Kwabhalwa-ke igama Ntanzi, i-ID number angeke ngiyifundeke, i-address room FF38 Masizakele, Driefontein eCarltonville 2499, cell phone number 06090016890. La osebenza khona Sibanye Gold Ltd, igama Driefontein. Lana-ke uthi-ke umshushisi abafuna-ke ukugcizelela noma bababusho-ke kuwena ukuthi-ke i-cell phone number yakho u-060 9016890 wanikeza ngayo eCapitec.
Because enkantolo akulona iqiniso.
My lord, that's not true.
Mangikhumbula kahle phamba kwenkantolo uthe umshushisi le number le mina ngavula ngayi back ngo2013.
If I remember well, before this court, the state mentioned to the court that this number I used in opening a bank account in 2013.
Ngithi mina akulona iqiniso inumber lengangenayo 2014.
I am saying that's not true. I did not have this number in 2014.
Inumber la nga 2018 phamba kwenkosi enkantolo.
I got this number, my lord, or I acquired this number in 2018, my lord.
Mina mnikazi wenumber anzange ngihambise le number eCapitec bengangena ngisho imessage yase Capitec ephuma eCapitec kuyi J5 Samsung mangise Rustenburg.
I, as the owner of the number, I never provided this number at Capitec. There was not even a notification or an SMS that came from Capitec to this number, my lord.
Mr. Ntanzi, don't obfuscate issues. There's information that is provided when the account is opened. The date that appears there, it's the date on which the account is opened.
Kune date ekhona lana, le date lena iyona ke i-date i-account eyavulwa ngayo.
But as time goes,
Lela noma le angithi ama date ayithula.
The witness is referring to two dates.
yes, there's the first date, that one of 2013. That's when the account is open. Is that correct?
Kune date yokuqala ka-2013 ila i-account eyavulwa khona angithi.
Yewe Cartonville.
Yes, in Carltonville.
Yes, but as time goes on, you do update your contact details at the bank. Is that not so?
Ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ke uyahamba ke uma khona ke okushintshile kwimininingwane yakho uhambe ke uyoshe ebhanga ukuthi ke kukhona ke engifisa ukuthi ngikushintshe ke noma ngikulethe ngoba ke imininingwane yami isishintshile.
Do you agree?
Uyavuma?
Ngiyavuma bese ngiphinda nami ngitshena enkantolo okushoyo.
I agree, but I'm also requesting to mention something to the court based on what you are saying.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ugcina kwami ungena eCapitec ngicine ngisemarekane 2016 mangiqashwa ikotraka mina ngiqashwa eRoran Shaft lapha bekusebenza khona ukuthi ngiqashwa ikotraka.
The last time I entered Capitec was in 2016 Marikana when I was then appointed by a contractor.
Ngangasebenzisi yona le number le ngo 2017 2016 ngiqala ukuyisebenzisa 2018 inumber le ka 16890.
2016 and 2017, I was not using this number. I started using this number ending with 18690 in 2018.
Uma ukuthi inkosi enkantolo kwafika umuntu wase Capitec weza la bengingaphenduli atho kuyona mina ngithi le number le ayikho eCapitec namanje ngisasho phambi kwenkosi enkantolo ayikho.
If someone from Capitec would be able, or if someone from Capitec had come to court, my lord, I would have been able to give an answer. But this number, my lord, is not or was not given at Capitec.
You see, Mr. Ntanzi, these are the records that were requested from Capitec Bank, and these are the records that Capitec Bank furnished.
Logo Mnumzana Ntanzi kwacelwa eCapitec kwase kuba yilokhu ke uCapitec akunikezayo ke noma asinika kona ke uma sesicele ama record eCapitec.
Inkosi enkantolo ngiyakuzwa lokho kushiwo ngumshushisi ngithi mina inumber le ngeka 2018 ngiqalisisa 2018 ayikho ebank lami eCapitec le number.
I hear what the state is saying, my lord, but what I'm saying is I started using this number in 2018. This number is not there at my bank.
Zolo lokho ngiphambi kwenkantolo kade sekuvela ukuthi mina inumber ngiqala ukuyisenza ngo 2016 namanje ngayitshela inkosi enkantolo le number le yayingekho ngo 2016 yayingekho 2017 kimi ifike 2018.
Just yesterday, my lord, it was mentioned in court that I started using this number in 2016. This number was not there in 2016. It was not there in 2017. I started using it in 2018.
We asked you this question yesterday, and we don't really want to repeat it, but how would Capitec Bank have known about this number to include it in their records?
Sikubuzile lo mbuzo izolo asifisike ukuthi siuphinde kodwa ke uCapitec bayithole kanjani ke inamba le ukuthi ke bayifake ke uma ngabe kucelwa imininingwane yakho ebhangi kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi bona ke bayifake le number?
Nkosi enkantolo ngiyilanda ngebank statement ngekadolo le bank Nkosi enkantolo.
My lord, I did not go and fetch the bank statement at the bank.
Ummeli wami useyihlelele zokubiza icapital nami ngicela ngibizele icapital ingene la phakathi ecourt.
My legal representative is planning to summon someone from Capitec, and I also made that request to my legal representative to summon someone from Capitec.
Ngoba mina 2013 mangivale account nganisebenzisa MTN ayi Vodacom.
Because in 2013, when I opened this account, I was using MTN and not Vodacom.
And it is your number that Capitec provided.
Inamba yakho ke lena uCapitec anikeze ngayo.
Mina ngivuma phambi kwenkosi enkantolo namanje ngiyala.
I deny it, my lord, or I refute it before this court, my lord.
No, the number that appears there in the bank statement from Capitec, that is your number, is it not so?
Inamba lena le evelayo la, inamba yakho angithi.
Namanje nkosi enkantolo inamba ngiyiphiki.
I am not disputing the number or denying the number, my lord.
Yes, thank you.
Siyabonga.
And the ID number that appears there, it's your ID number.
Sune ID number ela. I-ID number yakho angithi. Eyakho angithi.
ID ngeyami nkosi enkantolo.
It is mine, my lord.
And the address?
Ikheli
Konke lokhu ngangisasebenza kuSibanya ngisahlala FF 38 lapha engangihlala khona eMasizakhele nehostel phakathi eNkomponi.
all of this, my lord, it was one, I was still working under Sibanye at FF, still working for Sibanye, my lord, at the
So-
compound.
All that information that appears on the Capitec bank statement is correct?
Okusho ukuthi yonke le mininingwane ekhona la kule statement saseCapitec ukuthi imininingwane ekuyiyona.
Nkosi enkantolo imininingwane yona into engiyiphikisa phambi kwecourt ngiphikisa inamba.
The information, my lord, indeed is correct. The only thing that I am disputing, my lord, is the number.
Thank you. The second point, you wanted to know what the tower information is on the dates that we gave to you, starting with the one of the 25th of October 2020 at 16:26 and 25 seconds. That on page 179.
Just a moment. Yes, yes. Can you repeat the time again? 16:26:25.
Yes.
Bekuyisifiso sakhe noma ubucelileke ukuthi ke ucela ukubona ke amathawa angithi bekufunda lama number ne kufunda nokuthi kwenzekani wase ucela ke wena ukuthi ke uyacela ukuthi ke utshele namathawa ngoba amathawa waveli la.
This information is contained in case ID 1031227 on page 76 of 200.
76.
Yes. We'll give you the copies just now.
Okay.
The tower information is as follows. The number 0609016890 with the IMEI number. We've already placed the SIM card number, the IMSI on record, the IMEI number, the serial number of the device, 353 291 085 09889. On the 25th of October 2020 at 16:27 and 25. Performed a transaction type called USSD, and this stands for Unstructured Supplementary Service Data Interactive Network Function. In other words, doing a specific activity on the phone, for instance, to top up airtime bundle, including voice data. So the call type is USSD, and the call duration is 1 second, and the tower information that you wanted is 3G Queenswood NGA. Then the next transaction that we referred to was on the 25th of October 2020 at 16:26 and 47 seconds. The number 060901680, which you've admitted, on the 25th of October 2020 at 16:26:47. The call type is given as USSD. Call duration 1 second. The tower information that you are asking for is 3G Queenswood NGA. Then the next information that you ask for is the transaction of the 25th of October at 16:27 and 42 seconds. Your number 060901680 on the 25th of October 2020 at 16:27:42. With a call type USSD. Performed a transaction with call duration is given as 0 seconds, and the tower information that you ask for is 3G Queenswood NGA. Then the next transaction on the 25th of October at 16:29:51. Indicate that the number or your number 060901680 on the 25th of October 2020 at 16:29:51. The call type is given as USSD. The call duration is 1 second, and the tower is 3G Queenswood NGA. Then the next transaction was on the 25th of October 2020. The hour or the time is 16:34:53. Your number 060901-16890 on the 25th of October 2020 at 16:34:53 with a call type USSD lasting 0 seconds. The cell name is 3G Queen Suit NGA. Then the next transaction was on 21 November 2020. The time 19:12:11. Your number 06090168890 on 21/11/2020 at 19:12:11 with a call type USSD lasting 1 second. The tower is 2G Queen Suit NGA. Next transaction was on 21 November 2020 at 19:12:30. Your number 060901-6890 on 21/11/2020 at 19:12:30 with a call type USSD lasting 1 second. The tower information that you are asking for is 2G Queen Suit NGA 1. The next one, it's 21 November 2020 at 19:12 and 11 seconds. Your number 06090016890 on 21/11/2020 at 19:12:11 with a call type USSD lasting a second. The tower information that we are asking for is 2G Queen Suit NGA. Next transaction is 21 November 2020 at 19:12:30. Your number 060 901 6890 on 21/11/2020 at 19:12:30 with a call type USSD lasting 1 second. The tower information that we're asking for is 2G Queen Suite NGA. Next one, 21 November 2020 at 9:14 and 4 seconds. Your number 060 901 6890 on 21/11/2020 at 19:40 04 seconds. Performed a USSD with 0 seconds, and the tower information that we're asking for is 2G Queenswood. NGA. Next one, it's 21 November 2020, 19:18:30. Your number 060 901 6890 on 21/11/2020 at 19:18:29. Call type USSD lasting 1 second. The tower information that you're asking for is 2G Queen Suite NGA. Next one, 21/11/2020 at 19:11 seconds. Your number 060 901 6890 on 21 November 2020 at 19:11 with a call type USSD lasting 0 seconds, and the tower is given as Queen Suite. It's 2G Queen Suite NGA.
It's this exercise, my lord.
Hello?
I think it's this exercise. It's draining me.
You want us to adjourn or what?
I wouldn't like to be the cause of a delay. Can you proceed, my lord? I wouldn't
So what's your pleasure?
I wouldn't like to be the cause of the delay. Can you proceed, my lord? I'll try. I'll push, my lord.
Okay, let's try.
Mnumzane Ntanzi ubucelileke ukuthi ucela ukubona amathawu nanjengoba bekufundela lana umshushisi bekufundela ama-date ekufundela nenkathi abesesho-ke kuwena-ke ukuthi star 130 star 3279 hash kusho ukuthini. So manje-ke wenza kona-ke lokho uma singaqala kwi-25 October 2020 isikhathi u-16:26:25 nasi siyabona la i-25 October 2020 u-16:26:25 bese kubhalwa-ke USSD. Uma bechaza-ke ukuthi usho ukuthini lo USSD kusho ukuthi-ke kukhona-ke okwakwenziwa ucingo noma ukuthi kwakufakwe airtime kodwa ikhona nje into eyayenziwa kulona-ke ucingo. Wacela-ke futhi nokuthi ucela ukubona-ke ngoba lana ayikhombisi ukuthi amathawa akuphi. Nayi-ke ibhaliwe ithawa la u-3G Queenswood NGA nokuthi-ke i-second elilodwa bese i-date elandelayo yizo i-25 ku-October 2020 16 okay siku-16:27 nama-seconds awu-42 nayi yabona yebo-ke papa sorry
lokho ngapha yena eyona airtime ayayifaka lo 22:1
la kubhalwe khona kubhalwa isikhathi le ukuthi-ke kwathatha isikhathi esingakanani noma kubhalwe duration kusho ukuthi isikhathi noma ukuthi umzuzu owodwa ama-second awu-10 ama-second ila ukuthola la nakho yabona igama elilodwa. So sekuzona-ke u-16:27:42 uyena-ke lo USSD kusho ukuthi kukhona okwakwenziwa kulona-ke ucingo la kubhalwe ukuthi-ke ama-seconds u-0 wase ucela-ke ukubona ukuthi-ke ufisa ukwazi ukuthi kwakuyiphi ithawa kwabhalwa-ke 3G Queenswood NGA. Elandelayo kwaba yizona i-25 October 2020 16:29:51 nangu u-16:29:51 kuzona i-25 October 2020 kusewuyena loya USSD kuyasho-ke ukuthi khona-ke kwenziwe ucingo oluvuliwe noma kwafakwa-ke u-airtime ukuloya star 130 star 3279 hash. Isikhathi-ke khona i-second elilodwa uma sibuka siza la kuloko kubuzayo-ke uyabo ubhalwe 1 ngabona la kubhalwe u-1 nayi-ke ithawa u-3G Queenswood NGA. Sidlulele-ke kwipage elandelayo akusilona leli what was the next page after 179 so 184 it's 184 yebo ileli page elandelayo sila 21 November 2020 isikhathi u-19:05:57 16:34:53 ngeyi-25 ngathi kuseyizona-ke i-25 confusing uyabona yini
ngiyakubona
khona nebefuna ukuba
into saqhubeka
okay sekuyi-21 November 2020 u-1912:11 nangu 1912:11 ngazo i-21 zikaNovember kuyasho ukuthi lwavula-ke ucingo star 130 3279 hash nayo-ke u-USSD i-second elilodwa ithawa u-2G Queenswood NGA 1 size kuzona-ke i-21 November 2020 1912:30 1912:30 nangu-ke 191230 uyambona laphayana, nangu-ke loya star 130 star 3279 hash, nangu-ke loya USSD, i-second elilodwa bese kuthi-ke i-tower u-2G Queenswood NGA 1. Size kuzona-ke i-21 November 2020 1914 04, nangu-ke 1914 04 uyambona la, iyasho-ke isebenzisa yona-ke inumber 060 901 6890, bese nangu uyambona-ke leyo star 130 star 3279, abathi-ke mabesho-ke bathi ngesikhathi-ke kufakwa ngaso i-airtime la ivela khona-ke la kuvela khona lo USSD osho kona lokho lana kubhalwe ngenamba uyabona, lana bona babhala-ke ngayo u-USSD, kodwa-ke ngokwendlela abakusho ngayo bathi-ke into eyodwa, kuyasho ukuthi kukhona okwenziwa ocingweni, bese ithawa iveza-ke u-2G Queenswood NGA 2, bese siza-ke kuzona i-21 futhi November 2020 1918 29. Lana kubhalwe 191830 ngokuthi isikhathi esodwa 191829, lana kubhalwe 191820, bese kuyavela-ke star 1303279 hash, iyona inumber 0609016890, ikona-ke 191829 USSD, i-second elilodwa ithawa u-2G Queenswood NGA 1. Size kuzona-ke i-21 November 2020 1911, sibuke nalana nangu-ke 1911 inumber 2060901680, ukuthi-ke ucingo lwavulwa-ke lokhu-ke abakubhalile-ke USSD, i-second elilodwa bese kuthi-ke ithawa yakhona-ke ekhonswayo noma evelayo-ke u-2G Queenswood NGA 2. Yes, I see.
Now, as you correctly pointed out yesterday, that to perform or to acquire airtime via the bank, you have to use these features that we have just placed on record. So this is applicable when you acquire airtime via the bank. In other words, your number must be linked to your account at the bank.
Nanjengoba besishilo kokwena izolo ukuthi-ke utholeke noma uthenge u-airtime usebenzisa ibhange, kufanele usebenzise kona-ke lokhu sikushilo abo 1 star 120 star 130 star 3279 hash. Lokho kuthi-ke kufanele ukuthi ibe inamba yakho ikhona ebhange, lokho-ke okuzokuvumela-ke ukuthi ukwenze lokho, ukuthi-ke i-airtime uyithenge ngalo ibhange.
Because enkantolo engoba ngishilo naqala akulona iqiniso ukuthi inamba yami i-060 iregistiwe bank.
As I said previously, my lord, that it's not true that my number 060 was registered at the bank.
Yes.
Okwesibili because enkantolo ngangingenafoni.
Secondly, my lord, I did not have a phone.
We have just shown you and we don't want to belabor the point, your Capitec Bank statement. The next,
Uthi-ke angeke agxile kulokho-ke bese usekutshengisa usekukhombisile i-statement sakho sasebhanki, so akazuba sagxila-ke kulokho uzodlula.
Kuyavela khona ukuthi ngithenge i-airtime ngebank la.
Does it, so the witness is referring to his statement. Does it reflect here in the bank statement that I bought airtime?
no, but the bank statement doesn't cover the period in question.
I-statement lesi sebhange-ke asikhulumi ngalesi sikhathi lesi ekhulunywa ngaso la, akusona i-statement saleso sikhathi leso.
Kanti phambi kwenkosi enkantolo uma uthenga i-airtime akubhala ukuthi uthenga i-airtime yamalini ngasiphi isikhathi yonke into lapha kwi-bank statement.
Does it not reflect on the bank statement when you buy airtime as to how much airtime did you buy and at which time did you buy the airtime?
Mr. Ntanzi, we've indicated to you that the bank statement is not for the period in question in 2020.
Sishilo kuwena mnumzana Ntanzi ukuthi i-bank statement le akusiyona i-bank statement yalesi sikhathi ekhulunywa ngaso la u-2020.
Yebo ngiyavuma kodwa umshushisi yena uyakwazi ukungiqolisa icala la ka-2018, 2019, 2020. Mina lapha phambi kwecourt uthi mina ngumsolo ukuthi ngabulala uSenzo ngo-2014. Ngayibona ukuthi nakuye ziyaphambana.
Can you also see that on the side of the state, it also does contradict because the state is able to try me for a matter of 2018, 2019, 2020. The state is alleging that I killed Senzo in 2014.
Yes, but we're just going through through various ways that you can purchase, or you can acquire airtime via the bank.
Sikhombisa ke indlela ezahlukahlukene umuntu athi ngazo athengeke i-airtime esebenzisa ibhange.
The next transaction that we want to focus on, it's using the feature *120* 3279#.
Elandelayo ke indlela esifuna ukukhuluma nawe ngayo *120* 3279#.
And this is also acquiring airtime via the bank. The first,
Nalokho ke ukuthenga i-airtime usebenzisa lona ibhange.
the first transaction that we want to refer to is on page 178. This page.
I do not intend to disturb the state. I have no intention to disrupt whatever that they are saying. But for purposes of my own information, my notes and everything, yeah, I just need to get it clear from the state whether with the process that they are embarking upon now, the process where they are dealing with this, for instance, this hashtag, this star number, star hash, and a certain number. Are they then simply saying that they are saying to Mr. Ntanzi, this is the manner in which an airtime can be purchased, and they end up there? Or they are saying by implication that is how Mr. Ntanzi purchased the airtime that they are alleging he purchased? I just want to get that clear, my lord. That's for my own purpose of my own notes.
Well, my lord, we are saying this is how airtime was purchased and communicated with, touch on the communication with various persons that appear in the index. We're saying the airtime was purchased to communicate with the outside world and including the people that we have mentioned, my lord. The exercise that started yesterday.
Umshushiseke kubuzo ke la ubaba umnisi afisa ukwazi khona ukuthi ke ingabe umbuso uthi ke ukona lokho abakushoyo *120* 3279# ingabe bathi wathenga i-airtime yini? Mabephendula ke labo bathi yebo ke bayakhombisa ke ukuthi ke indlela ke umuntu athenga ngazo i-airtime esebenzisa lona ibhange bese muva kwalokho ke abesexhumana ke nabantu abangaphandle, abantu ke laba abahlukahlukene ebese amagama abo ebeseshiwo ke phambi kwenkantolo.
Cha mina ngiyanqaba lakho okushiwo phambi kwenkantolo.
I deny what is being said before the court, my lord, or dispute.
La ngoba kokuqala nanga ngena phone. Ifone ithathwa kumjuni 16 mangiboshwa.
Because first, my lord, I did not have a phone. It was confiscated from me upon my arrest on the 16th of June.
Alekho iphoyisa engakubopha maqedela kuyeke nefone.
There is no police officer who would arrest you and thereafter allow you to be in possession of a phone.
Into yokuqala leyo nqaba ngena kimendlini bathi bapha amafoni akho ngathi nanka.
That was the very first thing, my lord. When they entered my house, they asked me, "Where are your phones?" I then said, "Here they are."
Kuthiwe kodwa ngathola nefone mina ngiyanqaba iphi charger yakho nefone.
It is alleged here in court that I was found in possession of a phone. I dispute that. Where's the charger to that phone?
Yes, we will get to that point during cross-examination, Mr. Ntanzi.
Sezofika ke lapho Mnumzana Ntanzi.
Now, we are on the 18th of October 2020, page 178 of 200, case ID 103-1227. Your number 060-901-6890. The device in which the SIM card was pattern matched. In other words, the device was unlocked. The number *120 *3279 hash was an input, and that was on the 18th of October 2020 at 22:16:13.
Ngate 18th October 2020 isikhathi u-22:16 nama-seconds awu-13, inumber 060-901-6890. Ifo ucingo lwavulwa-ke lokhu phecelezi kubhaliwe la pattern matched, kwase kuvulwa ucingo-ke kwasetshenziswa yena-ke u*120 *3279.
The tower, it's 3G Queenswood NGA.
Okay, just a moment.
We'll give you the tower
Oh,
information
okay.
just now.
Oh, itower u-3G Queenswood. Sorry.
lokhu nakho ngoku-airtime futhi lokhu okufundwa manje.
Is the *120 #3279 also for the airtime?
Yes.
Yebo.
Kuhamba imizuzu ewu-71.
Hayi imizuzu, hayi ama-minutes, ama-seconds, imizuzwana.
Ama-seconds,
Yes.
71.
Was it for 71 seconds?
Yeah.
Yebo.
Yes. It's 72,
Okay.
72 seconds. Your number 060-901-16890. The device where in the SIM card was pattern matched, opened, and the features *120 *3279 hash were input. That was on 18 October 2020 at 22:17 and 40 seconds.
Ngazo i-18 ku-October 2020 isikhathi kwaku-22:17 ama-seconds awu-40, inumber u-060-901-6890. Lwavulwa-ke ucingo phecelezi nje bakubhaliwe la pattern matched, kwase kufakwa-ke u*120 *3279 hash.
Transaction, the call type is USSD, lasting 7 seconds.
Uhlobo-ke lwe-USSD okusho ukuthi-ke ikona-ke ukuthi-ke khona okwenziwa kulona-ke ucingo lokho kwathatha-ke ama-second awu-7.
The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Ithawa kube yiyona-ke i-3G Queenswood NGA. Lokhu esiqeda ukufunda lana-ke nakula 18 October 2020 22:17:40 22:17:40 lama-seconds awu-7 kubhaliwe yena-ke u-USSD. Bese-ke ithawa u-3G Queenswood NGA. Okay, so nayo le ephezulu 22:16:13 abayimakanga 22:16:13 nayo i-18 October 2020 ama-seconds awu-72 iwana la lana kubhalwe 71 lana u-72.
Nje
Nalapho.
ukuthi akufani.
Can you see that it's not the same? Because on this document we have it 71 seconds, here it's 72 seconds. Itawa, U3G, Queenswood, NGA.
Yes. The next transaction it's on the 25th of October. This we see on page 179 of 200. And the case ID it's 103 1227. Your number 060 901 16890. The device where in the SIM card was pattern mesh. Now it's opened. The feature star 120 star 3279 hash was entered, and it was on the 25th of October 2020, 16:26 and 56 seconds.
Okay. Gate 25 is October 2020, iskhathi u16:26, ama-seconds awu56. Inumber 060901 6890. Ifoni ucingo lwavulwa ke wasekufakwa ke ustar 120 3279 hash.
The tower information indicates that on the 25th of October 2020, 16:26:55, just a difference of a second. Your number 06090168890 with a call type USSD with a call duration of, as I mentioned, 16:26:55 seconds, call duration 22 seconds, and the tower is Queenswood.
Itower lapho ke kuyi Queenswood, lapha yana ke umshuthu safunda khona ithi 16:26:55 lana ithi 16:26:55, ama seconds ke awu 22. Itower kube yi Queenswood. Now 16:26:55.
Your number 06090168890. The device where in the SIM card was with that number was pattern matched. In other words, it is open. The number or the feature, I'm sorry, star 120 star 3279 hash was input. That was on the 14th of November 2020 at 16:59 and 44 seconds.
Ngazo i-14 kuNovember 2020 isikhathi u-16:59 umzuzu nje ukuthi-ke kushayeke ihora lesihlanu nama-seconds awu-44. Ucingo-ke noma-ke kwinamba 0609016890 ucingo lwavulwa-ke kwase kufakwa yena-ke noma-ke kushaywa-ke u-star 120 star 3279 hash.
The tower information indicates that your number 0609016890 on the 14th of November 2020 at 16:59 and 44 seconds with a call type USSD lasting 36 seconds with the tower being 2G Queensuit NGA1.
Imininingwane-ke yethawa lapho-ke i-3G Queenswood NGA1 ngazo i-14 November 2020 ngo-16:59 44 ama-seconds isikhathi kwama ama-seconds awu-36.
Next transaction 14 November 2020 at 1700 hours and 40 seconds. Still on page 183 of 200. Caller ID still the same one. Oh, I'm sorry, case ID 1031227. Your number 0609016890. The device wherein the SIM card was pattern matched. In other words, device was open. The feature star 120 star 3279 hash was input. That was on the 14th of November 2020, and the time is 1700 hours and 40 seconds.
Ngazo i-14 kuNovember 2020 libumbene elesihlanu ihora nama-seconds awu-40 kwaba-ke i-second elilodwa inamba 0609016890 ucingo lwavulwa kwase-ke kufakwa-ke u-star 120 star 3279 hash.
Tower information indicates that your number 0609016890 on 14 November 2020 at 1700 hours 40 seconds with the call type USSD lasting 0 seconds. And the tower is 2G Queensuit NGA1.
Imininingwane yethawa-ke laphayana u-2G Queenswood NGA1. Lesiqeda uyifunda la.
We'll then proceed to 21 November 2020. at 1842.21 on page 184 of 200. Case IDs 103 1227. Your number 060-901-16890 on 21 November 2020 at 1842.21. The device wherein the SIM card was inserted was pattern mesh. In other words, device was open. The number *120 *3279 hash was input.
Size kuzona-ke i-21 November 2020 isikhathi u-1842.21 inumber-ke 060 901 6890 ucingo lwavulwa-ke kwase-ke kufakwa-ke u*120 *3279 hash.
We'll give you the tower information just now.
Ukuthi-ke i-tower yiphi sizokutshela manje.
Tower information indicates that your number 060-901-6890 on 21 November 2020 at 1842.21 seconds with the code type USSD with call duration given as 0 seconds, and the tower is 2G Queenswood NGA 1.
Imininingwane ye-tower-ke u-2G Queenswood NGA 1. Kuyona-ke le esiphethe uyifunda yang-1842.21 yange-21 November 2020.
Next one, still on page 184 of 200. Your number 060 901 6890. The device wherein the SIM card was pattern meshed. In other words, it was open. The features *120 hash 327. I'm sorry. *120 *3279 hash were input, and the time was 1909:10.
So now-ke zona 21 November 2020 1901:10 isikhathi ama seconds awu-11. Inumber 060-901-6890 ucingo lwavula kwase-ke kufakwa-ke u*120 *3279 hash.
The tower information indicates that your number 060-901-6890 on 21 November 2020 at 1909 and 10 seconds with the call type USSD, call duration 11 seconds. The tower is 2G Queen Suite NGA 1.
Itower ke kuloko siqeda ukufunda manje ke yona i3G Queenswood NGA 1.
Next one, your number 060 901 16890. The device wherein the SIM card was pattern matched, in other words, device was open, and the feature *120 *3279 hash were input. That was on the 21st of November 2020 at 19:09:45.
Lana ke 19:09:45 ngazo i21 November 2020, number 060901 6890 ucingo lwavula kwase kusetshenziswa ke *120 *3279 hash.
The tower information, then your number 0609016890 on the 21st of November 2020 at 19:09:45. So I just want to verify the times. At 19:09:45 seconds, call type USSD, call duration 24 seconds, it's 2G Queenswood.
Itower yakhona ke lokho besiqeda ukufunda ke manje ku19:05 30 seconds i2G Queenswood 19:09 nama seconds of 45.
Next transaction, your number 060901 6890. The device wherein the SIM card was pattern mesh, in other words, it was open. The features *130 *32790. Were input. I just want to repeat the features. *120 3279 hash were input. The time was 19:15:02.
19:15:02 ngazo i21 November 2020, number 0609016890 ucingo lwavulwa base kufaka ku *120 *3279 hash.
The tower information 060 901 I'm sorry, I'll repeat the number 060 901 6890 on the 21st of November 2020 at 9:15:02 seconds. call type being USSD, call duration 29 seconds. The tower is 2G Queensuit NGA.
Lokhu besiqeda ukufuna-ke kwakhe u-1915-02 itower-ke 2G Queenswood NGA.
Next transaction, your number 060 9016 On the 21st of November 2020, the device wherein the SIM card was pattern mesh, in other words, the device was open. And the features star 120 star 3279 hash were input. And the time is 1916 19 seconds.
With 21 November 2020, 1916 seconds au 19 inumber 0609016890 ucingo lwavulwa wabe sekufakwa-ke star 120 star 3279 hash.
Then the tower, your number 0609016890 on the 21st of November 2020 at 1916 and 19 seconds with the call type USSD lasting 11 seconds, the tower being 2G Queensuit NGA.
Itower yakhona-ke kwakuyi-2G Queenswood NGA.
My Lord, it's time for the long adjournment. Can we
Oh, yeah.
take the long adjournment at this point?
Okay, let's adjourn until 2 o'clock.
Done.